Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a cutout zoom effect for your video edits in CapCut. So you just need to prepare your clips and go to where you want to freeze your videos. Okay, I'm going to go here at the end of the clip and then click on freeze. Okay, now copy the freeze frame and set it as overlay. Oops. Copy it first. And set one of them as overlay. Okay, like this. Now go to the video effect and add the blur effect. Click on the lens and choose blur. Click on the check icon, adjust it for the freeze frame part, and then now click on the overlay clip, overlay freeze frame here, and then go to cutout and remove the background. Okay, click on the check icon and now add a keyframe at the start and add another keyframe at the end and zoom it in like this. And now you can just go to text and add your text under the overlay. Okay, just add the text that you want. I'm going to just add Tongue Creative, and then you can change the font and also the style. Okay, after you change the style, you can go to animations and add any animations that you want to your text. So I'm going to add this draw out animation. Click on a check icon. Now add a keyframe at the start of the text. To make a movement, you need to add a keyframe and go to the end of the text and move it like this. So the text now will look like this. And I'm going to also add a sticker, an arrow sticker. So go to stickers and find the sticker arrow stickers that you want. So in this case, I'm going to use this arrow right here, and I'm going to rotate it. Okay, I'm going to mirror it. And done. So this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.